Hello everyone, welcome to edupediaworld.com. This is your video lecturer Vomika Soni, and in the current video lecture, I will explain you all about the working of heart. In my previous video lecture, I had already discussed about the valves in heart and about the blood vessels entering and leaving the heart. In the current video lecture, we will deal with the topic named as working of heart. So let's begin. The first step is that all the four chambers of the heart are in the relaxed state. This state is also known as joint diastole. Then blood from the pulmonary veins and vena cava flows into the left and right auricles respectively. See in this figure that from the vena cava the blood is flowing to the right auricle, and from the pulmonary veins the blood flows into the left auricle. So this was the second step. Now the next one is, as the tricuspid and bicuspid valves are open, blood passes into ventricles. Both the atrium undergo a simultaneous contraction. This contraction is also known as the atrial systole. You can see here the tricuspid valve is open here, and here you can see the bicuspid valve is also open, and through these valves the blood passes into the ventricles, and the atrium undergoes simultaneous contraction, which is better known as atrial systole. Now the next step is that when the ventriculars contract, the situation is known as ventricular systoles. The auricles relax. Ventricular systole increases the ventricular pressure, causing the closure of the two cuspid valves due to attempted backflow of the blood into the atria. Then what happens? As the ventricular pressure increases, the semilunar valves guarding the pulmonary artery and the aorta are forced open, and the blood flows into these vessels. See, you can see here the semilunar valves are forced open and the blood flows to these vessels. This was one of the step in the working of heart. Next, what happens? That the ventricles relax. That is known as the ventricular diastole. The ventricular pressure falls, causing the closure of semilunar valves, which prevent backflow of the blood into the ventricles. Here the semilunar valves are closed, and the closure helps in the prevention of the backflow of blood into the ventricles. Then what happens? Due to the opening of these valves, the blood once again moves freely into the ventricle. This sequential event in the heart repeats. That is, that the cycle is known as cardiac cycle. It consists of systole and diastole of both the atria and ventricles. So this was all for today's video lecture. Hope you have understood the concept properly and enjoyed the lecture. In my upcoming video lecture, I will explain about the heart sounds and the heartbeat and pulse rate. Till then, keep watching to the videos of edupediaworld.com.